Control number 41411, please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir and ma'am. I'm Corazon Monares. I'm 33 years old. I'm single and I have 3 children, girls only, 15, 10, and 7 years old. And I have 1 brother and 1 sister. And I'm the youngest of my family.
What is your educational attainment?
High school graduate at Antonio G. Villegas.
Why do you want to go to Hong Kong?
I want to build my own house.
Have you been to any country before as an OFW?
Yes, in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia, in 2 years contract.
Do you have experience in taking care of an old person?
Yes, I have.
What can you do for elderly?
Prepare foods and medicine.
Do you have experience in taking care of a newly born babies and children?
Yes, I have. To give food, milk, and vitamins.
Aside from your daily household work, what other special skills you can do inside the house?
I'm cook and cleaning.
What foreign dishes can you cook?
I cook like Chinese food, vegetables, and chop suey.
During misunderstanding of your employer, what do you do?
I apologize and say sorry.
Describe yourself as an housemate.
I am hardworking and responsible.
Describe your relationship with your past and present employer. How did they treat you?
She treats me like a family.
Message for your future employer in Hong Kong.
Dear mom and sir, if ever you choose me as a domestic helper, I will do my best and hardworking. Thank you and God bless.